Hello, everybody. Welcome to an exciting journey into the future of real estate. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of real estate and how a powerful tool is changing the game: artificial intelligence, or AI for short. This technology is not just a buzzword, it's a revolutionary force that's transforming the industry in ways we never imagined. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Oprah, AI sounds complicated. And yes, it can seem daunting at first glance. But trust me, it's not as intimidating as it seems. In fact, AI is designed to simplify processes, making it easier for everyone involved, from agents to clients. AI is already making waves in the real estate industry, making things easier and more efficient for everyone involved. Imagine having a tool that can handle tedious tasks, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Think of AI as your secret weapon, whether you're buying, selling, or managing property. It's like having a personal assistant who never sleeps, always working to give you the best possible outcomes. It's like having a team of experts working behind the scenes, analyzing data, spotting trends, and helping you make smarter decisions. This means you can stay ahead of the curve and make informed choices with confidence. From predicting market shifts to finding your dream home, AI is transforming how we navigate the world of real estate. Imagine a system that can predict the best time to buy or sell, ensuring you get the best deal possible. In this journey, we'll uncover the ins and outs of AI in real estate, breaking down complex concepts into easy-to-understand ideas. We'll demystify the technology and show you how it can be a game changer in your real estate endeavors. We'll explore how AI is revolutionizing everything from market analysis to property management and even marketing. You'll see how AI can help you target the right audience, manage properties more efficiently, and make data-driven decisions. I'll share real-world examples of how AI is making a difference, proving that this technology is not just a futuristic fantasy, but a present-day reality. These success stories will inspire you and show you the tangible benefits of embracing AI. So buckle up, everyone, because we're about to embark on an eye-opening adventure into the future of real estate. This journey will open your eyes to the endless possibilities that AI brings to the table. Get ready to be amazed by the power of AI and how it's changing the way we buy, sell, and interact with property. The future of real estate is here, and it's more exciting than ever. Let's start with one of the most crucial aspects of real estate: understanding the market. The real estate market is a dynamic and ever-evolving entity, influenced by a myriad of factors ranging from economic conditions to social trends. Understanding these nuances is key to making informed decisions. Traditionally, analyzing market trends felt like trying to solve a giant jigsaw puzzle. Each piece of data represented a small part of the bigger picture, and putting it all together required immense effort and expertise. It involved collecting mountains of data, deciphering complex spreadsheets, and hoping you didn't miss any crucial pieces. The process was not only time-consuming, but also prone to human error, which could lead to costly mistakes. But now, thanks to AI, we have a powerful tool that can analyze vast amounts of information in the blink of an eye. AI algorithms can process data at a speed and accuracy that is simply unattainable for humans, transforming the way we understand the market. Imagine AI as a master detective, sifting through mountains of clues to uncover hidden patterns and trends in the real estate market. It can identify correlations and anomalies that might be invisible to the naked eye, providing deeper insights. It can analyze data points like property prices, sales history, economic indicators, and even neighborhood demographics to paint a clear picture of what's happening in a specific location. This multifaceted analysis helps in understanding the market from various angles. This means no more guesswork or relying solely on gut feelings. AI empowers real estate professionals to base their decisions on solid data, reducing the risk of errors and increasing the chances of success. With AI-powered market analysis, real estate professionals can make more informed decisions, whether it's advising clients on the best time to buy or sell, identifying investment opportunities, or setting competitive pricing strategies. This data-driven approach ensures that every decision is backed by reliable information. It's like having a crystal ball that provides valuable insights into the ever-changing world of real estate. AI can predict future market trends with a high degree of accuracy, helping professionals stay ahead of the curve. But it's not just about crunching numbers. AI's capabilities extend beyond quantitative analysis. AI can also analyze qualitative data, like neighborhood reviews, social media sentiment, and even the architectural styles that are popular in a certain area. This qualitative analysis adds another layer of depth to market understanding. This holistic approach provides a comprehensive understanding of the market, giving you a competitive edge. By combining quantitative and qualitative data, AI offers a 360-degree view of the real estate landscape, enabling professionals to make well-rounded and strategic decisions. Moreover, AI tools facilitate collaboration among real estate professionals, allowing them to share insights and strategies more effectively. This collective intelligence further enhances the decision-making process. As we move forward, the integration of AI in real estate will continue to evolve, bringing innovative solutions to the forefront. Embracing these advancements will be crucial for staying competitive in the market. Success stories of AI-driven achievements in real estate are already emerging, showcasing the potential for significant market growth. By leveraging AI, real estate professionals can unlock new opportunities and drive the industry forward. In conclusion, AI is revolutionizing the way we decode the real estate market. With its ability to analyze vast amounts of data quickly and accurately, AI provides invaluable insights that empower professionals to make informed, strategic decisions. The future of real estate is here, and it's powered by AI. Now, let's talk about the future. One of the most remarkable capabilities of AI is its ability to predict future market trends. It's like having a crystal ball that helps us anticipate what's coming next in the real estate world. Think about it. Wouldn't it be amazing to know which neighborhoods are poised for growth, which property types will be in high demand, or how interest rates might fluctuate in the coming months? AI can analyze historical data, economic indicators, and even social and demographic trends to make these predictions with impressive accuracy. For real estate investors, this is invaluable information. Imagine being able to identify up-and-coming areas before they become popular, allowing you to secure properties at a lower price and maximize your returns. AI can also predict potential risks, helping you avoid costly mistakes and make more informed investment decisions. But it's not just for investors. Buyers can also benefit from AI's predictive powers. Imagine searching for your dream home and having AI analyze your preferences, budget, and desired location to suggest properties that perfectly match your needs, even before they hit the market. The power of AI lies in its ability to process vast amounts of data at lightning speed. By examining historical trends and patterns, AI can identify subtle shifts in the market that might go unnoticed by human analysts. It can also incorporate real-time data from various sources, including economic indicators and even social media trends, to provide a comprehensive market analysis. Real estate agents can leverage these insights to offer better advice to their clients, ensuring they make well-informed decisions. Home buyers can use AI-powered tools to take virtual tours of properties, compare different options, and receive personalized recommendations. AI can even predict future urban development, helping city planners and developers make strategic decisions about where to invest in infrastructure and new projects. Whether you're an investor, a home buyer, or a real estate professional, AI's predictive capabilities can provide a significant advantage. As AI technology continues to evolve, its impact on the real estate market will only grow, making it an indispensable tool for navigating the complexities of the industry. The future of real estate is here, and AI is leading the way, transforming how we buy, sell, and invest in properties. So embrace the power of AI's crystal ball and unlock the potential of the real estate market like never before. Section 4. Your AI assistant, always on, always ready. In today's fast-paced world, time is precious, especially in the real estate industry. That's where AI-powered virtual assistants come in, acting like your tireless sidekicks, available 24/7 to handle tasks, answer questions, and make your life easier. Imagine having an assistant who never sleeps, never takes a break, and is always ready to help. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can handle a wide range of tasks, from scheduling appointments and sending property information to answering frequently asked questions and qualifying potential leads. For real estate agents, this means more time to focus on what matters most: building relationships, providing personalized service, and closing deals. Instead of being bogged down by administrative tasks, they can leverage AI to streamline their workflow and be more productive. But it's not just about efficiency. AI-powered assistants can also enhance the customer experience. Imagine a potential buyer browsing your website at midnight and having instant access to a chatbot that can answer their questions about a specific property, schedule a virtual tour, or even pre-qualify them for a mortgage. Section 5. Smart Homes, Smarter Management. Now let's step inside the homes themselves. AI is transforming property management, making it more efficient, cost-effective, and convenient for both landlords and tenants. Imagine a world where your home anticipates your needs. Smart home devices powered by AI can learn your preferences and automate tasks, creating a more comfortable and energy-efficient living environment. From adjusting the thermostat and lighting based on your schedule to detecting leaks and potential maintenance issues, AI is making homes smarter than ever before. For landlords, this means fewer headaches and lower operating costs. AI-powered systems can monitor properties remotely, identifying and even resolving issues before they become major problems. Imagine being alerted to a leaky faucet or a malfunctioning appliance before it causes significant damage. But it's not just about maintenance. AI can also optimize energy consumption, reducing utility bills and minimizing the environmental impact of properties. Imagine a future where your home seamlessly adjusts its energy usage based on real-time weather conditions and your personal preferences.